Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the final update for the current trading week. So, just to recap from the start of the week video, the dollar did not break down correctly as expected. We had a push to the downside, but instead of having a continuation to the downside, the price then pushed to the upside, creating a liquidity sweep. And today there's a couple of news events that's coming out. So for me, I will be staying away from the dollar, but I will be kind of interested if the dollar after news events can push to the downside, give some sort of retest, and then continue to the downside to complete this downtrending pattern. And in anticipation of that, Euro USD has formed a lower time frame uptrend. And as you can see, we have a potential lower time frame uptrend, but the price at the moment is near previous trend line resistance. So as you can see on the larger time frame, we had a bigger downtrend and a smaller downtrend, and now the price is near this previous higher time frame sort of downtrend. So two possibilities: the price could continue to the downside or break to the upside and retest the highs of this higher time frame downtrend. I will be more interested in seeing the price continue in this uptrend, you can say, because as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are potentially in a uptrend, but this will only happen if the dollar breaks to the downside. Then we might get the completion of this pattern. So for me, Euro USD, I will be keen in seeing if the price can continue in this uptrend. And as you can see, we have a lower time frame sort of uptrend that is also building up. So for me, I'll be interested in seeing if London break Euro USD can continue to the upside, and then which I might enter a trade and hold even through the news sessions. And then another pair that I'm really keen on today is AUD JPY. So if you recall, I've been speaking about the JPY pairs being extremely bullish, and this AUD JPY pair is currently at previous channel support. I'm looking for the price to continue to the upside to retest this area right here. So I will be really keen on seeing what the open of London session does, if I will get an entry based on this lower time frame double bottom, potential W formation, and to hold all the way to the upside. Just to touch on gold, I noted that at the start of the week that gold was actually a no-go zone, and just to show you how correct that was, if we look at the 200 moving average, as I spoke about in the first thing, we can see that the moving average has actually not even moved at all. From the beginning of the week, we had the small bounce that bounced up here. It never really go anywhere. It came all the way back to the 200 moving average. As I said, when price is in a range, we don't really want to be getting involved before the price can actually break out of this pattern. So hopefully the news events today will actually push gold to the upside to retest the highs, or push gold to the downside to retest the lows. Other than that, for me, gold is a no-go zone. And that's all for Friday. We don't want to overtrade any positions that you enter. You either use a half or 1 risk to reward ratio stop loss. And so for me, I'm interested in Euro USD long. I'm interested in AUD JPY long.